These days, cigarettes are made really fast and completely by machines that can produce millions of cigarettes every hour. In the factory, cutting the tobacco, wrapping it in paper, adding filters, printing the brand logo, and packing everything is all done by machines in no time. Today, I'm going to tell you how cigarettes are made, why different brands have different tastes, and what exactly is in cigarettes besides tobacco. The process starts with growing high-quality tobacco, which is pretty tough and needs to be done step by step. Tobacco is usually grown step by step and thrives best in warm to moderately warm regions. It can't be grown without fertile, well-drained soil. Since tobacco seeds are very tiny, they're not sown directly in the field. Instead, seedlings are first raised in a nursery. After about 6 to 8 weeks, the seedlings are uprooted and transplanted into the main field using machines. Regular watering, weed control, and pesticide application to protect from pests are essential. Because hundreds of acres are cultivated at once, almost every task is done with machines. Tobacco leaves are generally harvested. Within a month, the leaves start turning light yellow. Before the flowers bloom, the top part of the plant is cut off so the leaves can grow bigger and better. Extra branches growing from the sides of the plant, called suckers, are cut away. Tobacco leaves are never harvested all at once. Instead, they're picked in stages. First, the mature leaves from the bottom are collected, then the middle ones, and lastly, the leaves at the top. Usually, tobacco leaves are harvested gradually over 2 to 3 weeks to ensure each leaf is fully ripe. This modern tractor is used for harvesting the crop. It reduces labor and time and can collect leaves without damaging them. After gathering the leaves, tons of tobacco leaves are loaded onto trucks and taken to the factory, where they undergo further processing. In the processing unit, the tobacco leaves are first sorted and specially inspected to maintain quality. Leaves that are bug-eaten or incomplete are discarded. Then, the leaves are placed in a steam oven where they stay at a specific temperature for 24 hours, after which the leaves dry out. After drying, the tobacco leaves are to make the tobacco ready. It is stored for a specific amount of time known as aging. Different cigarette companies usually keep the tobacco for about 1.5 years to enhance the quality of their cigarettes. The taste and price of a cigarette depend a lot on how well the tobacco is aged and the quality of the leaves. After that, the leaves are sent to another factory. Once they arrive, the dried leaves are again sorted by quality and graded into different categories. Next, unnecessary parts like thick veins and extra stems are removed. Since the dried leaves become fragile, a certain amount of moisture is added before sending them to the processing machine. Usually, steam or water spray is used to soften the leaves, making them easier to cut. After rehydration, the leaves are cut into small pieces using a special machine. This machine works extremely fast and ensures all pieces are nearly the same size. Typically, the tobacco is cut into pieces about 1 to 3 millimeters long, which helps maintain consistent cigarette quality. Different types of tobacco all are mixed together in specific proportions to maintain the cigarette's flavor and aroma. Some brands add different flavors or additives like honey, chocolate, or menthol to create their unique taste. Many companies also add chemicals to control the thickness of the smoke and how slowly it burns. After cutting, the tobacco is dried again to a precise level by blowing hot air through machines, which reduces the moisture to the exact amount needed. Controlling the temperature at this stage is extremely important. Too much heat can spoil the taste of the tobacco. After drying, the prepared tobacco is stored for cigarette making. In the factory, the entire process of making cigarettes is fully automatic, using advanced machines that produce thousands of cigarettes per minute. Processed tobacco is taken from the storage area and sent to large machines in controlled amounts. First, the tobacco is arranged in long strips or thin layers that move quickly through the machine. Then, this tobacco is wrapped in a special type of cigarette paper that is thin and burns slowly, allowing the cigarette to burn gradually, even though the machine works at high speed. As the tobacco is packed into the paper, it forms a long roll or tube. This long roll is then cut into specific lengths by an automatic cutting machine. After that, a specially made filter is added to one end of the cigarette. The filter is usually made from cellulose acetate fibers, which help absorb some harmful substances from the smoke. These filters come in large rolls. They are cut into small pieces by a machine. A special glue is used to firmly attach the filter to the tobacco roll, ensuring the filter stays secure. After the cigarettes are made, brand logos or names are printed on them using high-speed printing machines. Finally, the cigarettes are separated and packed into specific quantities, usually packs of 10 or 20. The entire packing process is also done automatically. Then, the packs are printed with brand logos and legal warnings and sealed with plastic to keep them fresh for a long time. After that, the packs are placed into cartons and sent to the market. This entire process is fully automated, allowing factories to produce millions of cigarettes every day.